Anatomy of bones of hand. There are total 27 bones in wrist and hand, out of which 8 are carpals that form wrist, 5 are metacarpals that form palm, and 14 are phalanges that form fingers. In this simplified diagram, you can see that radius and carpal bones are connected with wrist joint, carpal and metacarpal bones are connected with carpometacarpal joint, and metacarpal and phalanges are connected with metacarpophalangeal joint. The most important point you can see here that ulnar bone is not involved in forming wrist joint. However, wrist joint is formed between 3 bones, the radius and 2 carpal bones, which are scaphoid and lunate. Wrist joint is also known as radiocarpal joint. In 3D diagram, you can see that these are carpal bones. Carpal bones are interconnected with intercarpal joints. Five metacarpal bones that are present in the palm. These are phalanges that form fingers. Each finger has 3 phalanges, but only thumb has 2 phalanges. The middle phalanx is absent in the thumb. Phalanges are interconnected with interphalangeal joints. Let's talk about the carpal bones in detail. They are 8 in number and are divided into 2 rows, the proximal row and the distal row. Each row has 4 carpal bones. In proximal row, these are scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, and pisiform. In distal row, these are trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. To memorize these bones, you can use this mnemonic. She looks pretty, try to catch her. She scaphoid, looks lunate. 2. Triquetrum, pretty, pisiform. Try, trapezium. 2. Trapezoid. Catch, capitate. Her, hamate. Let's see how to identify these bones one by one. First of all, scaphoid bone, it is boat shape. It is one of the bones that help in making wrist joint. The lunate, that is half moon shape, it is another carpal bone that helps in making wrist joint. The triquetrum, it is triangular in shape. The pisiform bone is P shape. The trapezium, that is present at the base of the thumb, it is irregular in shape. The trapezoid is pyramidal in shape. Decapitate is the largest carpal bone and is like head in shape. It is the first bone formed during development of carpal bones. And the last one, hamate, is like hook in shape. That was all about osteology of the hand. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my next videos.